Audio Jungle.
प्रदेश सभी के नमस्कार जनाई। आज के 1 September is Police Day. In this honor, Madam Chief Minister will now lay a wreath in honor of the police officers serving the nation proudly. Namaskar, Chief Minister Madam on the dais. I welcome Honorable Ministers of Law and Public Works, Honorable Minister for MSME, Mass Education Extension and Library Services, Chairman of WBIDC and respected dignitaries on the stage, and ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Government of West Bengal, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to the program today. আপনাদের সবাইকে আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা আর স্বাগত জানাই। Since 2011, the Government of West Bengal is proactively trying to position the state as the country's favored destination for business, investment and industries. The government has undertaken a number of dynamic development plans and programs over the last 10 years. All requirements to set up and expand industries are being facilitated in a timely and professional manner through the single window Shilp Sathi system of WBIDC. With the vision to encourage industrial advancement and promotion, the ICE department has set up about 47 parks with 16,000 acres of land spread over the state. Of these, 5,000 acres have been nearly made available for fresh allotments. We have 950 functional units across the state. As an example of that, the Panagarh Park, spread over 3,500 acres of land, has a detailed master plan and all infrastructure available. We'll now move on to the programs today. I would now request Honorable Chief Minister Madam to lay the foundation stone for Dhanseri Polyfilms plant. Madam. We now request Madam to kindly press the button to lay the foundation stone for the Table Tennis Academy of the Dhanuka Dhanseri Foundation. May I? Madam, WBIDC is proud to have compiled a book documenting some of the landmark industries in Bengal. My request for the book, Industries in Bengal, A Glimpse, to be kindly launched. Madam, we take the opportunity of Honorable Chief Minister's presence in Panagarh to announce 6 new projects in the industrial parks of WBIDC. These units in Panagarh Park are being announced today in presence of Honorable CM. Industrial units are being announced in WBIDC parks outside Panagarh. We are blessed today to have Honorable Chief Minister West Bengal establish the Pathpeeth of Srila Prabhupada. Madam, kindly. A long-standing demand of the local people has been fulfilled today with Madam and flagging of a police station at Kirnahar. Madam, may we kindly request you to flag off the police station. As an example of the synergy between government and industry, Madam, we may kindly request you to kindly inaugurate a PSA plant at Dr. B.C. Roy Postgraduate Institute of Pediatric Sciences. ITC and Health Department officials are present here and have jointly worked to set up this PSA plant. Labour has been an integral part of industry, and the Honourable Chief Minister, Madam, has always looked at the interest of both equally. We now request Madam to inaugurate the Shramik Bhavan and Guest House at Birbhum. Lastly, a series of transport projects are to be inaugurated by Honourable Chief Minister today. These are commencement of bus services on 16 routes from Bandwan Depot. Madam. Bus services on 12 routes from Man Bazar Depot. Routes from Barn Parichai, Behrampur, SBSTC bus terminus. inauguration of SBC STC Guest House cum Training Center, Srashtra Shini.